Hello, and we're going to be doing sweep this time. So sweep is different from the other features we've learned in that it requires two planes for it to work. So we go to sketch, as always, front plane. Let's make a closed shape. Let's make it small, so 0.5. So this time we're going to exit sketch, and then you're going to select a plane that's perpendicular to what we just selected, which is front plane. So let's use top plane. We'll put normal to top plane, which is this icon here. It's basically puts you facing the thing. Let's make it. So let's go sketch, and then we'll use a line or like a curved line, but it's basically a thread. It's a path for the profile to follow. To exit out, you just click escape, and that's the one you're gonna end up with. So features, sweep. So you click the profile. The profile is the circle, because that's the basically if you take a cross section of the shape, you're going to have a circle along the path. So path is this. So you click yes. So this is what you're gonna end up with. It's like a circle on like as a cross section along the path, and the path itself is the shape that it's going along. And this is excellent for making wires and other things that like revolve and extrude can't do. Like you can make a cylinder with all three features, but more complicated shapes like this one you can't really make with the other two features. And that would be sweep.